Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to collect 5 carrots for special Easter rod skin in Visit It. So in this latest Easter event, Visit It added a limited special rod skin that you can unlock by completing a quest. And first, just go to the Easter Island like this, and then once you're there, just find the Rabbit NPC, this one. Talk to him, and then just accept the quest like this, and then after that you will get this quest. This one, you will get this quest, find 5 carrots. So just collect 5 hidden carrots around this island. First carrot is on here, this one. Just pick up, and then for the second location is over here at the carrot garden. And then for the third is near the bridge like this. And then for the fourth location is over here like this. And for the last location is over here like this. And just like that, next just go back to the NPC to claim the rod skin. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.